In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom arrows in Power BI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add an arrow to your report, position it, and customize its look so it fits your design and communicates clearly. First, head to the Insert tab at the top of the Power BI interface. This is where all your interactive elements live. From there, choose Buttons. You'll see several button styles. Select the arrow option to add one directly to your canvas. Power BI will drop it in the center or near your last click, and you're ready to shape it to your needs. Once the arrow is on the canvas, click and drag to move it wherever it makes the most visual sense. Use the corner handles to resize it proportionally, or the side handles to make it longer or narrower. If you want to adjust the direction, look for the rotation handle and turn it until it points exactly where you want attention to go. Perfect for guiding viewers to a specific visual or page element. With the arrow selected, you'll see the Format pane appear on the right side. This is your control center for customization. Under the Button tab, open the Style section to tailor the arrow's appearance. If you plan to include text, you can toggle it on and customize the font, size, color, and alignment so it's legible and consistent with your report's theme. If you prefer a clean arrow with no label, leave the text off and rely on color and shape to communicate direction. Next, check the icon settings. Here, you can fine-tune the arrow's style, thickness, and sometimes the specific arrowhead type, giving you a more subtle or bold look depending on your design. The fill settings let you define the arrow's background color or transparency. A solid fill makes the arrow pop against busy visuals, while a semi-transparent fill can feel more integrated and less distracting. Use border to add definition. A thin border in a contrasting color can help your arrow stand out, especially if your report background and arrow color are similar. Adjust corner radius if you want softer edges, and keep an eye on shadow or glow options, which can add depth when used sparingly. Finally, remember that consistency is key. Match your arrow's colors to your report theme, ensure sufficient contrast for accessibility, and keep sizing proportional to nearby visuals. That's all. Simple, clean, and effective. You've just created a custom arrow in Power BI that looks great and guides your audience exactly where you want them to go.